Hello grade 10 learners, let me share this video with you to guide you in answering CLAID Module 2B with the topic Determining the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. The general term or nth term of an arithmetic sequence is represented by a sub n equals a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d, where a sub 1 is the first term of the sequence, n is the position of the term, and d is the common difference. Now, try natin gamitin ang nth term in this example. Given 7, 11, 15, 19, find the 16th term. Now, using the general term of an arithmetic sequence, ang una natin gagawin is we need to find the values of a sub 1, n, and d. Kasi yun ang kailangan natin sa pag-solve. So, in our example, a sub 1, or the first term is 7, n is 16 kasi siya yung position ng term na hinanap natin. And d is the common difference. Kasi 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15, 15 plus 4 is 19. Next is we need to substitute these values to the general term. So, ang gagawin natin is we simply change a sub n into a sub 16. We have a sub 1, 7 plus 16 minus 1 times d, 4. Simplifying, we have 7 plus 16 minus 1 is 15 times 4. And 15 times 4 is equal to 60. So, 60 plus 7 is equal to 67, which is the 16th term. Next, find a sub 14 in the sequence 8, 1, negative 6, negative 13. Actually, pwede natin siyang ilista hanggang makarating tayo ng 14th term. Ang kagandahan lang ng paggamit ng general term or nth term is mas efficient siyang gawin, lalo't kapag malalayo mga position ng terms ang hinahanap. Okay, so let us continue using the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Alamin natin ang values ng a sub 1, n, and d. So in this case, the first term is 8, n is 14 kasi ang position na hinahanap natin ay 14th term, and d is negative 7. Kung maalala ninyo yung diniscuss natin na nakaraan, kapag ang terms of an arithmetic sequence are decreasing pababa, ibig sabihin the common difference is a negative. Kaya ang common difference natin dito pababa, common difference is negative 7. Next is we substitute it with into the general term. So we have 8 plus quantity 14 minus 1 times negative 7. Simplifying, we have 8 plus 14 minus 1 is 13 times negative 7. So 13 times negative 7 is negative 91 plus 8. So the 14th term is negative 83. So wag pa rin kalilimutan yung rule natin sa pag-a-add ng mga signed numbers. Okay? This time, let us try to solve this problem. In the arithmetic sequence 45, 48, 51, which term is 288? So, pang ilan daw ang 288 from the given arithmetic sequence? Ulitin ko, pwede nyong isa-isahin, tapos bibilangin ng terms. Yun nga lang, medyo matrabaho. So, pwede tayong gumamit ng general term or nth term of the arithmetic sequence. So, we have a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Then, from our previous examples, alamin natin kung ano yung mga given values. Ang a sub 1 natin ay 45. Ang common difference natin ay 3 kasi 45 plus 3, 48, plus 3, 51. So, the common difference is 3. At ang n, yung hinahanap natin, pang ilan daw si 288. Okay? Now, using the general term, ito ang mangyayari. Ang a sub n natin would become 288 kasi siya yung hinahanapan natin ng position. Okay, so we have 288 equals first term 45 plus n nawawala. So, as is na n yan. Minus 1 times 3. Now, and then we need to solve for d. So, in this case, we are going to apply the distributive property. Anong distributive property? So, we have 288 equals 45 plus. So, para ma-multiply natin to apply the distributive property, 3 times n is 3n. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. And then, simplify. Paano isi-simplify? Combine like terms lang po tayo. So, paano naging 42 to? 45 minus 3. 42 plus 3n. Simplify natin. So, adding negative 42 to both sides of the equation o kaya transpose 42 to the other side of the equation para maiwan na lang yung may variable. So, we have 288 minus 42. It becomes 246 equals 3n. Eh, ang target natin is to solve for n only. So, we need to divide both sides by 3. So, 3n divided by 3 is n. Then, 246 divided by 3 is 82. So, our n is 82. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? 288 is the 82nd term of the sequence, or a sub 82 is equal to 288. Pwede rin natin siyang isolve this way. So, again, using the general term, identify natin yung given, a sub 1, d, at n. And then, substitute natin siya doon sa ating given general term. Now, to simplify, pwede tayong mula dito, we subtract 45 to both sides of the equation o kaya we use transposition. So, transpose natin yung 45 to the other side of the equation, maging minus 45 na siya. And then, may iwan si n minus 1 times 3 on one side. So, that becomes 243. 288 minus 45 is 243 equals n minus 1 times 3. Now, dividing both sides by 3, pag dinivide natin to by 3, n minus 1 na lang matitira. Pag dinivide natin to by 3, ang matitira na lang ay 81. Okay, solving for n, we may add 1 to each side of the equations to cancel this out, o kaya use transposition. So, pag nilipat natin si minus 1 to the other side of the equation, we have 81 plus 1. So, n is still equal to 82. So, the 82nd term is 288, or a sub 82 is equal to 288. So, doon natin pwedeng gamitin ang general term or nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Thank you.